YouTube? Today, we're going to be working on the axle. We've already got it assembled. Sorry that we don't have the video of it being assembled.
Dad!
Because someone put it together without making a single video of it. So, yeah. So, the kit came with 11-inch wheels. They're 11 by 6. As you can see on the tire there. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. But comes with the axle keys, the hubs, obviously the axle, these bearings. You got a 58 tooth sprocket with it's a 2-piece, I think. Yeah.
Came with
and
420
then
chain.
it comes with a 420 chain, which will it's a 420 chain, and then also comes with a clutch.
It's a 10-tooth.
A 10-tooth clutch. It was about $300 on eBay. More expensive than I thought it was going to be. But, oh yeah, and those are the plates that you'll weld to the frame once we make the frame. Well, it looks more expensive than I thought it was going to be, but it is what it is, so.
The only problems we did have with it, is the keys for the keyway. They were really, really big, and we had to sand them down so they would fit into the keyway. So, that's really the only problem we had with it. Okay, this is about where it's gonna sit whenever we're all said and done. It's got some good stance. It's a little bigger than I would like it to be.
They're 5s. I keep them cleaned up. we had to go get some bolts for these pieces right here.
Got them right here.
The kit didn't come with anything for them for some reason. So we had to go get some grade 8 bolts from TSC.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that,
Thank diesel.
if you order the kit, then it may come with bolts, it may not. We'll leave the link in the description for the kit that we use. But yeah, we'll cut to us working on it. In the last clip, you saw us having to take off the sprocket and the wheel and the whole assembly, because we have to move the sprocket to the outside of the frame because clearancing issues. We don't want to make it super long. We want to make it more short and compact if we can. You got to fit the engine and then the axle and the seat in front of that, all behind the angle right there. So we're trying to save as much space as possible, so we move the sprocket to the outside so that way we can have more, we can make it shorter without the frame coming into contact with the sprocket.
Mask off any kind of black paint that we don't want taken off, and then we're gonna use some aircraft paint remover to use to take off all the rest of the paint that we don't want.
Alright guys, bonded up that thing because I'm excessive and I take stuff too far probably because I'm bondoing a drift trike. So I think we're gonna end up welding a plate right here for extra support, and it'll probably look better. If y'all have any ideas, let us know in the comments. But yeah, I wanted to get the axle and stuff done today, but we just didn't have enough time this weekend, and we're gonna have to do that another time. But we got some work done to it. Yeah, hopefully the next time we do it, we'll maybe have an engine plate or something so we can mock up the size of the stuff, and then we'll be able to weld it and maybe start doing, I don't know, the finishing fabrication and be able to weld up the rear box and the axle onto the box, and then the engine, and mount the engine, and align the chain, and then rip some fat skids.
If you like what you see, please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.